Welcome to this week's episode of the Popcorn Genius. Do I have a surprise for you? Let's check it out. All right, guys, here we have a brand new 8-ounce theater style popcorn popper. We got this from Paragon. There's their label right on the box here. Paragon. We're super excited. If you remember, we had this old popcorn popper that we had gotten used years and years and years ago, and it was used when we got it, so it had been used years and years and years before that, and it was a 6-ounce popper. This one here is an 8-ounce popper, so we can pop even more popcorn. We're gonna unbox this, we're gonna get it set up, and we're gonna start popping some corn. All right, let's cut this open. Oh yeah, look at all this great stuff we have in here. What's this box all about? Oh, cool. Comes with some packets of popcorn that we can pop in here. So these are those 3-in-1 portion packs. These are always great. It has kernels and flavacol in here and coconut butter oil. So we're gonna give this a try. This is actually what we'll pop for our first run with this machine. That was so cool. They gave us 2 of those, and they also gave us some boxes so we could put our popcorn in some cool boxes. That's awesome. Some samples of those, and also some of their bags. Cool. We can put some popcorn in there too. This is awesome. Now, I do have to say, Paragon has been really great. They worked with us for us to pick out the machine that we wanted and that we could use, and we were super happy to purchase this. And they're also gonna take care of all of you, and they've given me a code to give to you guys so you can get 15% off any popcorn machine that you purchased from Paragon. So there'll be a link down in the description to their website, and there's also going to be that 15% offer code, so be sure to check that out. But let's get this thing unboxed.
It's on 3-pointer.
Oh, this thing is super well packaged. They got all these spacers in here to make sure this thing looks really good. Oh yeah, this is looking nice. All right, let's try to lift this thing out of here. Okay, this thing is awesome. All right, so here we have our Paragon Theater Pop 8. This is super awesome. Look at how nice and packaged this is. Check all this stuff out. Whoa, look at this nice big kettle. As you remember, we had a 6-ounce kettle before. This is an 8. Super cool. See, we're gonna have to take off some of that packing stuff. All right, this is the, oh yeah, look at all the protective wrap that they put on this so it doesn't get scratched, all this stainless steel. This is really heavy duty too. Wow, yeah, this is really heavy duty. Oh, look at this, it's got a heater in the bottom. When we have this all set up in here, it's gonna be nice and warm at the bottom when we're holding popcorn in here. We got a nice kernel tray. This is our bottom tray for the bottom of our popcorn popper. We're gonna peel this off. Whoa, look at that. Look how nice that is. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna peel all this other stuff off first. How satisfying is this? We have a zip tie on here that was sold probably during shipping. This thing didn't adjust. We're gonna cut that off. Let's take this drawer out. Ooh, you can hear how solid and heavy that is. That's awesome. It's not light aluminum like some of these are made with, or light stainless steel. This is really heavy duty, commercial quality. And I like how they've wrapped every piece of this with protective film. Slide this in. Perfect. This last piece here, which is our catch that usually goes down here at the bottom. All right, so we got this all cleaned off. Looks really good. All right, here's our tray. This should go right here in the bottom. Perfect. Wow, look how nice that is. This here looks like it clips right in the bottom of this. There we go. That's our nice piece right there. So when we close this up, So nice and clear. Look how really super nice that is. That is awesome. All right, let's check out what we got in here. Light bulb, and oh, it also comes with a cool popcorn scoop. Screw that in. Plug this thing in. Turn the power on. Ooh, lit right up. Look at that. That is so nice. All right, this one has a lid. Oh, it's got magnets on the top here, so we can lift it up and stick the top in there. You can see right in. And what's nice about this popcorn popper, it's a little different. So you dislodge it like this, and that's how it dumps. If you remember, with most of them, this part here is pretty much within this popper, and the lid is all part of it. So here we have just something a little different, which is really cool. I think much easier to clean if we wanted to clean this here. Looks like we can detach it here to clean it as well. Just unplugs if we need to take this over to the sink. This has a non-stick, I believe this is called anodized kettle here. This is supposed to be really non-stick, so I'm really excited about that. All right, we're gonna give this a quick washing, and then we're gonna get popping. All right, so we have our Paragon Theater Pop 8. It's all put together. We have all of the packaging material off of here. We have our light bulb installed. We turned our power on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on our kettle, and we're gonna start to heat this up. So we're gonna actually time it and see how long it takes to get up to temperature. Right now we're at 72 degrees, room temperature. We're gonna press the start button. We're gonna give this about 3 to 4 minutes to heat up. That's what it said in the instructions on the back of the popcorn package, this 3-in-1. It says 3 to 4 minutes. We're up to 180 degrees already, so this thing's heating up really fast. I bet if we close this, it'll even heat up faster. All right, let's check the temperature again. 275 already. This thing is heating up so fast. We're only about a minute in, and we're already up to 275 degrees. If you've never used these 3-in-1 popcorn portion packs, they're really awesome. These are basically on the back here, you can't even really see, but you can see it a little better. There's Flavacol here, there's popcorn kernels here, and there is butter coconut oil right here. So what we're gonna do is, I like to squeeze the coconut oil down to the bottom, and then basically just cut this off. And we'll squeeze that right in there. Let's check the temperature. 362 degrees. We're gonna put this in. We're gonna start getting this going. So we're gonna put in, we just squeeze out that butter coconut oil. It's thick, so you gotta squeeze it out. Awesome. And now we are going to cut the rest of this off. We'll add in our Flavacol and our kernels. Let's take a quick look in there. All right, we're about 2 minutes and 30 seconds in so far. We're gonna close that up, and we're gonna let this get popping. This is gonna continue to heat up until those kernels start to pop, and then we're gonna just have popcorn popping out all over the place. It's gonna be amazing. If you want the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's a link down in the description. You can pick that up today for free, absolutely free. You can download it immediately. So check that out for sure. Also, a reminder, we're gonna have the link to this machine in particular. We're gonna have the link to Paragon concessions. We're gonna also have the coupon code where you can get 15% off one of these machines. And I do wanna say, they have this really cool thing on their website now where you can make a custom one. So you can get your own decals and stuff on your popcorn popper. So check that out too, it's pretty cool. This was the one we picked out because we just really liked it when we first saw it. It's just a really cool theater style popcorn popper. And it's the right size for us. All right, we're about 4 minutes in and it's still heating up. Let's see what the outside temperature of the kettle actually got up to. The outside temperature is actually staying pretty cool. It's about 85 degrees, so it's hot, but it's not super, super hot. So that must have a nice insulation factor in there. Let's check the bottom of our popper here with that heating element in here. So that's about up to 85 degrees also. So that's a nice temperature to keep our popcorn warm. And I like how it has these perforations in here so we can get any of those unpopped kernels down to that. I just heard a pop. We're about 5 minutes in and we're hearing pops already. Oh yeah, it's really popping. Oh, this is awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. It's lifting it right off. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Now we're gonna listen for this. When it starts to slow down, that's when we're gonna dump it. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. It smells so good. What a difference between a 6-ounce popper and an 8-ounce popper. All right, I think we're just about slowing down. All right, let's give it a dump. Oh, look how cool that is. Look how nice that dumps out. Very cool. Close this back up. Oh, it smells so good. Let me get this scooper that they gave us here. Oh, look at that. Wow, that looks good. Oh, it smells so good too. Look how nice and big those kernels popped up. For butterfly corn, those popped up nice and big. That means this kettle really heats up well. And that was one thing we missed with our other popcorn popper. It was older and it didn't heat as well. We're gonna give it a try. Let's taste it. Oh, yep. Making a mess now. That's really good. I like that. That's the one that they sent us for free, the Country Harvest popcorn. That is really good. Nice and easy to use, very convenient. No cholesterol, no trans fat, and gluten-free. That is so good. Let's try a couple more pieces. Oh yeah, nice and buttery, nice and salty. I have one more surprise for you. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with my super surprise here. This is called Buttery Goodness Popcorn Oil. This is actually from Paragon too, so check this out on their website as well. And what we're gonna do is we're going to fold up one of these boxes that they sent us. All right, we got our cool popcorn box. Let's fill it with some popcorn. There we have it, and now we're gonna add some buttery topping. Let's get this thing. This is brand new. Oh boy, look at that. This is like just what they do at movie theaters. Let's give this a taste. That is so good. That tastes just like movie theater popcorn. I mean, even without the buttery goodness, it tastes just like theater popcorn. But with this, it just adds a whole different dimension to it. It is so good. Holy cow. It makes me want to watch a movie, just hang out on the couch and eat popcorn all day long. This is so good. So there you have it, folks. Our new Paragon Theater Pop 8-ounce popcorn popper. Pops up awesome popcorn. Reminder down in the description, get your 15% off code for your very own machine. Also, check out this buttery goodness stuff and also their 3-in-1 pre-packets. They are so good. Love this popcorn. Love our new machine. Looking forward to making a whole lot more videos with this. Thank you, Paragon, for making an awesome product. And remember, just gotta get out there and get popping.